how to fix the issue where your headphones are connected but you can't hear any sound. Now obviously the first thing you want to do is if you're using wired headphones, make sure they're secured correctly into your computer. You can also try swapping the ports around, maybe use another port on your computer. And if that doesn't work, the next step is to come down to the volume icon in the bottom right hand side of your taskbar. You then just need to click on this volume speaker and make sure the volume here is turned up like so. You also need to ensure that the volume is turned up on the headphones themselves. Sometimes, depending on the model of headphones, there'll be a volume control or a dial on the headphones themselves, and you can typically just press these buttons to either increase or decrease the volume. Now, once you've done this, we're just going to right click on the volume icon, and you need to press Sound Settings. Now, next to this output tab, you need to go and select your headphones from the list of output devices. So typically it's going to be set to your speakers by default. And obviously we want to change this to our headphones as this is where we want the sound to come out from. If you can't see your headphones here, you can always press Add Device. And if you're using Bluetooth headphones, you can just click on Bluetooth and go through the steps to connect your headphones. Now, once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on More Sound Settings. Now, from the Playback tab, you need to go and locate your headphones from this list. Now, the first thing is to make sure your headphones are actually enabled. So if they're disabled, you can simply right click on them and you can press Enable to go and enable the headphones. You also want to set your headphones as the default device, and you can do that just by selecting your headphones, and then you can press this Set Default button at the bottom. Now, once you've done that, just press Apply and OK. If it's still not working, then open up your Start menu, go and search for Troubleshoot Settings and click on this window here. Now select Other Troubleshooters, and next to Audio, click on Run, and we can just go through the steps on the screen here to try and troubleshoot any issues with our headphones. So it's going to say, do we have your consent to run automatic diagnostics? You're just going to press yes and follow the steps on the screen. If it's still not working, then open up your Start menu once again, search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Click on the drop down arrow next to Audio Inputs and Outputs, and you should be able to find your headphones in this list of devices. Now my headphones currently aren't connected, so I'll just show you this with the microphone instead. Now what you need to do is right click on your headphones, click on Update Driver, and then just press Search Automatically for drivers. Now once you've done that, you can try right clicking on your headphones again, click on Update Driver, press Browse My Computer for drivers, select Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then you can go and select the top option and press Next. Now once again, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your Start menu, search for Settings and click on this window. In the left hand side, select Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and enabled, and then go and select Devices. Now underneath Audio, you should be able to find your headphones. Now what we're going to do is just click on your headphones, and next to Remove this device, we're going to press Remove. Now once you've removed your headphones, you can click on Add Device at the top of this page. You can then select Bluetooth and you can go and repair your headphones. Once you've done that, that should have solved the issue where your headphones are not working. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.